Hi guys, this is the Rainbow Geckos here, doing an unboxing video for a package I obtained just today, actually, from the Bean Farm. Of course, it's going to be for reptile supplies. Definitely not a reptile in there. The box is pretty beat up, as you can tell, but yeah. So I'm just going to be using my knife here to cut it open. So yeah, let's do it. Let me just find the opening. The knife is very sharp. The box was in pretty bad shape when I got it here, but that goes inside. So I'll just set everything over here for now. You can all see it. So I'll wrap the newspaper. Heat tape cord set and clamp set. And what else is in here? Should be the roll of heat tape and just looks like some packaged newspaper. Nothing in here actually. Okay, wow. And what else is in here? Looks like there might be a business card. Actually a magnet business card. Got the Bean Farm on here. Let me just focus in on here a bit better. Let me try it. There, www.thebeanfarm. Good prices. Go check these guys out. So yeah. And then there's one more thing in here. Looks like this might be a order form, maybe? I'm not 100% sure. Oh, a sheet how to use it. Okay, let's just electrical wiring, just all of that stuff, and then a order form. Yeah. Okay. So just get everything in front here before I turn the video off. I'm gonna show you up close. 3-inch Flex-Hot heat tape. Of course, pretty cold. Clamp set. Cord set. And these are actually little mealworm bowls that I got. Don't mind the cat. So yeah, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you. Just keep it there. Don't mind the cat. Thank you for watching, and bye. Yeah.